guys, and welcome back to Renee GTV. Today we're going to make Valentine's cheesecakes, and we're going to do little individual cheesecakes. And today I figured I would go ahead and we would just start with all of our ingredients and just go from there. So I have 1/3 cup sugar in my mixer, and I'm going to add 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese in there. It doesn't want to get in, it's trying to escape. And then we're going to throw in the other one. I'm going to make sure these are at room temperature. Okay. And then we're going to add, well, actually we're just going to go ahead and mix this. Might help if I turn it on, huh? Okay, so let me get this mixed up and then I'll bring you guys back. So we just mixed that. And now we're going to add our sour cream. And this is just going to be 1/2 cup of sour cream. In the bowl here. Okay, we're just going to give that a quick mix. You don't want to overmix your cheesecake. You really just want to mix it until it's combined. All right, and we're going to add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix it. Just until it's incorporated. Add your second egg. And again, we're just going to mix until incorporated. And then we're going to go ahead and take our vanilla, and we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Put that right in. And I'm just going to shut this off. Lift it up. We're going to give it a quick scrape, and then we're going to continue on. Okay, so we're going to set that aside and we're going to work on our crust. So to do our crust, we're going to do graham crackers, and I have about 2 packages. I'm just going to chop these in my little food chopper here. I know it's really loud, so I'm going to bring you guys back once I have that done. Okay, so I have about 18 graham crackers crushed, and then about 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. And you're going to add also about 3 tablespoons of butter or so. And then you're just going to combine that. And we are going to get our mold ready. We're doing Valentine's individual cupcakes, so we're going to get our mold ready. And I will bring you guys right back. So I have our mold, and ideally you would want probably 2 or 3 of these molds, just depending on how much you're going to make. But we're going to do these in 2 batches because they only have 1, which is fine. And then we're going to take our graham cracker mixture, and you just kind of want it to be kind of the consistency of wet sand. There are impressions in the silicone mold at the bottom, So I'm gonna make the crust just a little bit thicker so that we can pop these out and that the crust will stay together. I have also lightly buttered it just to help ensure that it does pop out without a problem. I am going to just place a couple of tablespoons or so of the crumbs in here. We're gonna press these down and then we'll bring you back and add our mold filled up with our graham cracker crust. We're gonna place this in a preheated 350-degree oven just for 5 to 7 minutes to let that crust cook. All right, guys, so our crust has baked, and all I've done is I've taken a little bit of our plain cheesecake batter and I've put it in a little squeeze bottle. I've added a little bit of pink gel color and I've shaken it up, and we're going to use that to kind of decorate the top. There's a few ways you can do that. I've also just placed my cheesecake batter in a Ziploc bag to help me kind of get this in here a little bit better without making a mess. So all we're going to do is just fill up each of these little wells. And you can pretty much fill it to the top if you want. It's gonna puff up a little bit, but it will come back down. You can use the edge of the bag to push it into the corners. And we're gonna tap it down a little bit as well. We're gonna do the other side. Okay. I'm going to set that to the side, and now I'm just going to tap our mold a bit, and you can see how it kind of brought all that back down. Now all I'm going to do is take our pink cheesecake batter. You can use whatever color you like, and we're just going to kind of zigzag it. You can write "Be Mine." Any little messages that you want on there would be really cute. And it looks like we have a blockage. So all I'm going to do is take a toothpick, not a Q-tip. That doesn't sound very good. You can also just put this color in a Ziploc bag if you'd like as well. All right, so we're going to just continue on with our stripes. And if it gets up on the edge, it's fine. You can do that however you want. Okay, and I'll flip it around. Let's see, let's do something cute here. Let's just do the word love. I'm gonna kind of sideways this thing. We're just gonna do this on one of these. And I'm gonna do a heart for the O. And that didn't come out too great, but that's okay. V, and the E is the hardest because the batter is a little bit runnier, so it doesn't do it as defined, but that's okay. That's really cute. And then we're just going to do stripes on the other ones. Well, you want to make sure you have enough cheesecake batter. This one's looking a little leopardy, but that's okay. I'm going to add some more cheesecake batter. I'm going to finish this out. We're going to bake these at 350 degrees. For about 15 to 20 minutes. You want to watch them. They're going to get puffy around the edge, and they're going to be jiggly in the center, and that's pretty much when you want to pull them out of the oven. So we'll be back. Guys, so there's our Valentine cheesecakes. They came out really cute. You can see the one that says love. My heart didn't come out very well, but you can write pretty much anything on them. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.